TECNO POVA 3 Tech Silver, 4GB RAM, 64GB storage. 6.9 FHD Plus dot-in display 90Hz, refresh rate 180Hz, touch sampling rate DTS dual stereo speakers IPX to splash proof. MediaTek Helio G88 octa-core processor with HyperEngine 2.0 gaming technologies Panther Engine 2.0 4D vibration Z-axis linear vibration motor. Up to 7GB expandable RAM with Memory Fusion 2.1 and 64GB ROM, for leveraging extra speed and storage 512GB dedicated SD card slot improved memory efficiency. 50MP ultra clear triple rear camera, raw super night algorithm professional shooting modes 8MP dot-in front camera. 7000 mAh mega battery with 53 days standby time 33W flash charger included, 50% in just 40 minutes reverse charging of 10W STS safe battery technology no support for Africa's frequency bands.